Okay, we can understand law of variable proportion theory with the help of table and the graph here. So whatever we have understood in the statement of Lano, the same thing we can understand furthermore clear with the help of table and graph. See here we are measuring the labor, total product, average product and marginal product. With the help of these three products we can understand how typically behavior can be seen due to the increase in only one input and keeping the another input is the constant. See, the capital is constant here, that column we are not mentioning it here. So only variable factor, that is labor, we are changing the variable factor. So the reason we have a column here. See, when the labor is 0, total productivity is 0, average product is also 0, marginal product is also 0. But the fixed investments already there, that is there. But without the help of the variable factor, it is not possible to produce anything. So the reason here all the levels of the products are 0 here. So once we start using the variable factor, that is labor 1. When it is 1, the total product is 10, average product is 10 and marginal product is also 10 here. See, then we are starting in, we start increasing the variable factor from 1 to 2. So when it is 2, the total output start increasing, eventually it is increasing. See, that is 10 to 22, directly it is going upward only, that is 22. So, and average product is 11. How to get the average product is 11 here? 22 divided by 2 is the 11. How to get the average product? The total product divided by the number of inputs, how much we are using it. So once we are able to calculate that, we can get the average product, that is 11. Marginal product, how to get the marginal product? The 22, the difference between this and this, 10 minus 22, that is 12. 12 is the marginal product. Okay. So when we are again start using the labor furthermore, that is 3. So in that situation, total product is 33, average product is 11 and marginal product is also 11. And when again we start increasing the labor, that is 4th, the total product is increasing, that is 40, but average product start declining, that is 10, marginal product start declining deeper than the average product. Okay. So when again we start increasing the 5th labor, the total product is increasing, still it is increasing in trend, 45. But average product start declining, that is 9, marginal product start declining further, that is 5. So again if we start using the same unit, the furthermore labors, that is 6, the total product is 48, but average product is 8 and marginal product is 3. When 7th one labor, then marginal total product is 48, average product is 6.85, but marginal products become 0. Means the your additional unit of labor is not producing anything to the in that organization. Means additional the unit of the labor is not producing. His contribution in the total product is there, but marginal product is 0 here. See, again if you start using the same unit, the labor, that is 8, the total product is 45, average product is 5.62, but marginal product is declining. So it means that this table is trying to explain us in 3 stages of the outputs in the short run production function. In short run, if we are keeping one factor constant, another factor is the variable. So in that situation, we can see the 3 different stages of the output. Initially, increasing trend. See, total product is increasing, average product is increasing, marginal product is increasing. So that is the first stage. All the 3 products are increasing in trend. But again if you start using the same unit, only the variable factor, in the second stage total product is increasing, average product is declining, marginal product is also declining, that is second stage. If again using the same unit, furthermore labors in the same organization, then what happens? It start declining, the total product is start declining, average product is start declining, marginal product become a negative. So this is the third stage. Increasing stage, decreasing returns we can see, and negative returns to scale we can see. These 3 types of the returns can be seen in the short run. Increasing return, decreasing return, negative returns to scale. The same figure if we put it in the graph, we can get the graph like this. See, there are 3 curves here. y-axis we are measuring the units of capital, x-axis we are measuring the units of labor. Okay. So, here 3 curves are there, marginal product curve, average product curve and the total product curve. All 3 curves are having their own typical behavior. We can see 3 different stages also here. See, the total product curve is always above the average curve and marginal curve, marginal product and average product. Why? Because the total product is nothing but the combination of these two. So, the reason always total product curve is above the average product and marginal product. See, in the first stage it is increasing in trend, okay. Later it become flatter, again it start declining, in the third stage it start declining, and average product curve it starts here, okay, and it is reaching in the third level, declining in nature. At the point in the second stage it is intersecting with the marginal product curve, means marginal product curve and average product curve where both are intersecting each other. In that particular situation we can say marginal product is equal to average product. After that marginal product curve is declining, average product curve is also declining, but marginal product curve is declining in a steeper, but average product curve is declining little flatter. See, this is we can understand, okay. So, then being an intelligent manager, where we should stop usage of the variable factor in the same unit of production. See, the first stage, if you start in using the inputs, we are getting the total product curve is increasing in trend, average product curve is also increasing in nature and marginal product curve is also increasing in nature. This situation is encourage us to use more and more variable factors. Why? Because all are producing well. When all are giving the positive result, then it encourages to producer to use more and more variable factor. Then in the second stage, when they reach the second stage, there we can see average product curve is intersecting with the marginal product curve and total product curve is little flatter as compared to first stage. So, in this situation, every intelligent producer should stop usage of the variable factor in the same production unit. Why? Because this is the best combination of the factors here. Capital and labor are the best combination. In that situation, the marginal productivity has been achieved highest level. That how can we prove? We can prove by the help of the total product. Total product at the time of here, where the 6th level of the labor, it is 48, total product is 48 and average product is 8 and marginal product is 0. So, ultimately we can increase the variable factor till 7. Why? Because total product is 48, it is highest in the column and average product is here, it is declining 6.85 and marginal product is become 0. So, this particular point where average product curve and marginal product curve intersecting each other. In this stage, they should stop usage of variable factor in the organization. They should not try to reach the third stage. Why? Because third stage is explaining that it is negative returns to scale. Means your additional unit of inputs are not able to produce anything. It is a overburden to the organization. It explains that the miscombination of the factors, because the fixed inputs and variable factors both should be best combination. When it is a best combination, then only we can get the maximum level of the output and we can use the resources efficiently. Efficient combination, when we are able to achieve, we should stop usage of the variable factors here. So, in the second stage, every intelligent manager should stop the usage of the variable factor, try to hold that particular situation for the organization in longer till the long period. When he is able to achieve the maximum efficiency, he can go with the another plan to start it. So, in this way, we need to understand the law of returns to scale here by the help of the table and the graph. So, what are the takeaways from this concept? So, the earlier class and this class all together we can understand the relationship between input and output, in the given technology, how inputs and outputs are having the relationship, that can be understand. And second, the technical efficiency is the situation when use more of one input and either the same amount or more of the other input increases output. That is the second point we can take away from this class. And third we can take away is that according to the law of variable proportions, as the quantity of the variable factors is increased with the other fixed factors, the marginal product and the average product will eventually decline. That what we have understood in the law of variable proportion theory. So these are all the points we should have to keep in our mind. Today I will wind up my class. I will continue in the next class. Thank you.